Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to TechUp YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a Shazam app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to search for the Shazam in App Store or Play Store. And now right after that you will be able to see an app at tops on in the screen where it is distinguishable by its S logo and is developed by Apple itself. And don't forget, you'll find the download option at the right side. Simply tap on that download option icon and your download will begin automatically. So yeah, once your download gets complete, click to open and you'll be able to access it. And yeah, this is how you can get Shazam app in your smartphone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.